Hi friends, this video we are going to look how we can change do wireless network password. Okay, for admin as well as for user password we are going to change over here. That is a process only we are going to look in this video. Okay, let me go inside. Okay, from here it has given for website address. Okay, in your router backside you can look, it has available for the site address as well as admin username will be admin and password also given over there. Okay, from here the username you have to type it for the admin. While you're looking in your set-top box backside, it has available. Okay, so right now you can type it for admin, and password each and every router it has been changed. Okay, what is given the password in your router, that one you can apply over here and give it as login. And if you want, you can save the password or else not required to save. And over here it is showing for connected client 5, because based on this wireless network I have connected for 5 devices. That is what showing over here. Okay, and what is the strength and which will be the network, everything will be available. Once you are getting this Wi-Fi, it will be showing for 2.4 as well as 5G also. Okay, and those three password we are going to change from this video. That is what we are looking over here. And it will be the admin password. You can go and change for the settings, or else what you need to do, you can change it everything else, all the password. Okay, now before you can check it each and every menu what is available. Okay, that is what I'm showing here for the settings. Okay, I did not change from the management under that user credential. What you need to do, you can go for wizard. Okay, it is available for setup wizard. Configure router for the first time. If it is a first time, you can change all your setup wizard. You can click as next, and it is available for operation mode, gateway, budget AP and wireless ISP. So you can choose for gateway. I have chosen for gateway and give it as next. Okay, because you want to change for 3 password, that's the reason we came for wizard. Only admin password if you want to change, you can go for management. Okay, so I am going to change for 3 password as well as username also. First one, it is showing for WAN interface setup, not required, just you can click as next. From here it is available admin account password. So for the new password, what you are thinking, that password you can click it, you can enter it, and same password confirm it. Next, if you are giving in a sense, it is available for 2.4 Hz as well as 5.4. If you want to change for the username, you can put it for a new username under ISSID field, and new password also you can provide over here. So I'm changing for the username for 2.4 as well as 5G also. I'm changing username as well as for the password also. This ways only you can provide your user credential as well as for password changing credential. Once completed, you can click as finished. Okay, then automatically it has been changed for the admin as well as all password. And right now it is showing you should not turn off your router while because it is updating, no, so that's why you should not. So you have to wait for 16 seconds. It is showing, no, after completing this one, automatically the password has been successfully updated. What you need to do, again you have to switch off your router, then you have to on, and you have to connect in your network, whatever you connected for mobile or laptop or something like that. Once you change the password, it will show like no internet. So now you can turn off your router and you can turn on, automatically it will connect. Okay, right now you can look over here for the Wi-Fi, the new name it will be showing. Okay, see here it is showing for the new name, okay, which I have given. This is a way, and you can give for your password which you have updated for the new. Now it is showing for connected. This is a way you can change in your password for the two home network. If it is useful, you can share to your friends, as well as you can subscribe this channel for getting more videos. Okay, right now, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.